Hello, I'm David Caruso and I'm the founder of Mastering Online Marketing, how to generate more leads and sales online. It's my personal mission to help as many people as possible build the business of their dreams. Now, a successful business means different things to each and every person. I know many successful business owners who make a lot of money but are not happy, have poor health, or have no time to spend with their family or friends. You see, for me, a successful business is not just about making money. Your business should be a vehicle to help you have more freedom and more time. Having personally worked with literally thousands of business owners and being a business owner myself for over 28 years, I really understand the challenges that every business owner faces. One of the biggest problems I see is that the majority of business owners aren't getting enough leads coming into their business on a regular basis. Many are overwhelmed with today's technology and what marketing tools that they should be using for the best return on investment. And to be quite frank, the struggling businesses out there are the ones making poor marketing decisions. And usually because they do not fully understand this new digital marketing landscape that has evolved and is here to stay. So gone are the days of putting an advert in the yellow pages and that being the majority of our marketing endeavors for the year. I'm showing my age there. Now, if you find yourself in a situation where you're not getting the best return on investment on your marketing endeavors, can I make a humble suggestion for you to consider investing a half day of your time with me at my next workshop? I promise it will be the best investment you make in your business this year. And I stand by that promise. I stand by that claim by offering a full money back guarantee. That is 100% refund to anyone who does not benefit from the workshop. With my hand on my heart, I can honestly say, after hosting this live workshop to thousands of businesses all across Australia, New Zealand, and in Europe, that we have not been asked by a solitary person for a refund, who often pay up to $197 to attend the half-day live event with me. Now, when you attend my next workshop, How to Generate More Leads and Sales Online, you'll discover breakthrough strategies to help you grow your business faster and easier than ever before. During the workshop, we're going to step through the huge revolution in marketing that is currently happening, as well as unveil the 4 key marketing principles that will enable you to crush your competition. I'll show you what the biggest problem is with your current marketing endeavors and what is holding you and your business back from achieving greater profits. Now, because 83% of marketing starts with search, not only will I share with you the biggest secret Google doesn't want you to know, but also the strategies that will get your business on page 1 of Google, above your competition. There are so many things we will cover throughout the event, so much so, if I mention them all, this short video will be almost as long as the half-day workshop itself. Now, with that said, some things that we will cover in the workshop that's worth noting. I'll show you how to turn your business blog into a lead generating machine. I'll also explain why using a third-party company for your paid search campaigns is throwing money down the drain. We'll look at the 3 essential marketing strategies that will make you stand out in front of your customers. And we'll have a look at the incredible business and marketing automation techniques that will give you more precious time. Now, the workshop is designed for anyone that's currently running their own business and wants to have greater levels of success. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a local business, a national business, or even an international business. And it really doesn't matter what industry you're in. I've specifically chosen these business and marketing strategies because they work for just about anyone. And when you join us at the event, you'll discover what they are and you'll see for yourself. If you're a business owner that wants to make more money, if you want to have more time, if you want to have more freedom, and you want to improve your quality of life, not just for you, but for the people that you love and care about, then the next step for you is to register for the How to Generate More Leads and Sales Online half-day workshop. I've been David Caruso, and I look forward to seeing you at the event.